So in this video I will show how to install CTOM. So once you have downloaded this installer file, CTOM Mufian, and then a number of versions here, you can just double click on it. It's very simple. You accept to install the software, and then you click next. You want to make sure to install in this directory CTOM directly, and it copies all the required file. And at the end of the installation process, when you press next, it is asking you to open the option file by default. That would be necessary for the first installation. Once you import this file, you see I have set it up already for me. I just have to write down the address of the directory or the address of the folder on which CTOM will look at data. So if we look at the computer, you have here file F. For me, in my case, it could be into my document for you in the C disk. For my case, it was in F, and I had in the folder CTOM and data. I had here this folder on which I have put my data. So the address here is F-F and CTOM and data. So just one word about the structure. You see here there is no data file directly, it's just folders. In each of these folders there is a different type of file. So for example, in the folder lowland, they will have files that have been measuring from laser ultrasonic measurement. That could be from the Lumet machine, for instance. And you see here different alloys. Each of these files contain then data, right? So it allows you to conserve certain structure here. If I take another example here in the folder miscellaneous, I have numbers of folders, and all these folders, they could be, for example, a folder containing some data from an alloy called INCO, or another data from another project. And so it allows you again here to conserve a certain structure in all of your data. So it's important to respect this structure here for the software Mufian to operate properly. The second thing to check in the option file is what is the resolution of your computer. You see here it's maybe a little small for the screen here, but it's written here that the resolution for the GUI should be indicated. And so if you look in your computer in the display, there should be a resolution value here. And what you want to enter in this value is the width of your screen in pixels. So it could be all the way from 1300 to 1920 for my case, or maybe even more for certain screens which are large. Once you have set up this and you save it, you should probably be able to start the Mufian CTOM software. Of course, you have to have a license file that you can gather by sending an email to my address.